do you want to be my friend? Do you want to play Shiny Chariot? Do you want to meet her?
I don't. I hate them little Satans.
Do you like witches?
No.
You don't learn magic. You want to come to my school?
Really? No, don't kill me, please.
Can't die yet. Get back here!
How about this? How about this, Satan, little Satan? How about we can have a dance-off, and whoever is fire enough wins, and the loser has to get shot 50 times. Okay?
What does that mean?
Let's just have a dance-off, idiot.
You get that gun out of my face, jerk.
Alright, well then let's go have a dance-off, stupid.
We're gonna play music in that.
Y'all, so the song was so far, but the winners are Akko, Psych, Arthur, and Megan. Yeah, it was. I'm so glad. Oh yeah, remember the deal? I won! Alright, remember our deal? You're supposed to die.
Do you want to be my friend?
Here, I think you need a finish. Hey, kid. Hey, little Akko kid. You laugh like the kid from Ralphie.
Cut this part out.
Okay, I will. All right, you ready? Now, shoot you and then you fall back. Okay. All right, we're ready. On 5. All right. Darn it. Good shot. Crappy gun!
It was nice losing. Well, I have to go practice my magic back at my school. Now, see you in a week.
Hi, Sadie.
Hey, Arthur.
My day was terrible. There's this one 16-year-old girl who she dang came, and it was like this little stupid Satan witch
Satan.
thing, whatever.
Witch? How
Uh-huh.
old was she?
16.
16? Were
Mm-hmm.
you cheating on me with her?
No. You really think I would tell my wifey?
Well, what are you talking about, a witch?
Like a little witch. She was wearing a stupid little messy, crappy hat. And then she was like, oh, she was really weird.
She seems like she's in the future.
She is.
Before Christ?
Yep. Before Christ.
That's even
2000.
farther in the past.
Good.
That's farther in the past.
Mm-hmm. That's what I mean. She's so far in the past.
My day was
Listen,
bounty hunting.
Listen, she's so far in the past that, let's say you're counting to 100, and then let's say you can only max to 100, and then it resets to 1. That's kind of what it's like. That's how far back she's in the past. All right, good night, Adler woman.
Good night, Arthur.